Welcome back to GOAT Stadiums, and we're bringing you the latest from Camp Nou's construction site. This week brought some major progress despite challenging weather conditions in Barcelona. Rain hasn't stopped the crews from achieving significant milestones, including the first compression ring piece being installed on the third cantilever. We also witnessed a massive structural element being hoisted into position for the first time. There's a lot to cover before the holiday break, so let's dive straight into what's happening around the stadium. The biggest development this week is the appearance of the compression ring structure. Several pieces for this critical roof support system are now staged around the lateral zones, and the first piece has been installed on top of the third cantilever. This marks a significant milestone in the roof construction phase. Although the full roof installation is still months away, preparations are clearly underway. Due to the rainy conditions, outdoor activity on the upper levels has been limited, but the progress is undeniable. Multiple large structural pieces have been delivered and positioned around the site, giving us a clear picture of what's coming in the next few months. Moving to the lateral facade, rock wool insulation installation has begun on the middle section supports. Glass panels are staged nearby and ready for installation once the insulation work is complete. This same sequence was previously seen in the south goal zone and retail areas. Scaffolding is now set up in additional zones, preparing for upcoming insulation and glass panel placement. The vertical slats installation is also progressing on one sector of the lateral facade, though work is currently limited to the left side. The previously open square section has been almost completely closed, with only one or two slats remaining to connect adjacent sectors. One of the most impressive moments captured this week was the hoisting of a fully concreted ramp toward the stadium structure. The ramp in the park area is now complete, though it's still missing its lateral walls. A very large structural piece, presumably related to the compression ring, was also moved on site. The sheer size of this element and the quantity of similar pieces nearby underscore the massive scale of the roof ring construction. This appears to be the first such large piece lifted at Camp Nou, marking another important advancement in the project timeline. In the south goal area, 4 rows of prefabricated seating have been installed and are now visible from various vantage points. Several concrete pillars remain encased in formwork, with a concrete pump set up and ready for imminent pours. Prefabricated stair segments and platforms are in place throughout this zone. Multiple small pieces, possibly stair or step elements for the third tier of seating, have recently been delivered and staged on site. Block wall painting has been completed, except for a small section on the left side, where block installation is still pending. Multiple platforms are active in the corner zone, with preparations underway for installing anchorage pieces for structural supports. Although visible anchors haven't been placed yet, several horizontal anchorage pieces are staged on the ground near the stair steps. Numerous glass panels are also staged near the diamond-shaped area in the corner, ready for installation. The corner zone is steadily filling up with these anchorage points, indicating consistent progress despite the challenging weather. The compression ring pillar seen earlier is now positioned on the upper level, supported on the concrete slab, with workers actively adjusting crane chains around it. Activity in the north goal area is noticeably quieter compared to the lateral zones. A tree recently fell, possibly due to strong winds overnight, causing some minor disruption. Several beams and supports continue installation in the corner and north goal areas, but overall fewer workers and less machinery movement are visible. Inside the stadium, workers are applying material to pillars, potentially for sealing or coating purposes. Some platforms are working, but movement is limited, with equipment occasionally lowering and repositioning. The weather continues to impact outdoor filming and work pace. Several trucks have delivered prefabricated staircases and potentially seating elements to the Tribune zone. One staircase segment is still missing to complete access to the second level of the cantilever. Scaffolding remains in place in the interior zone, though worker presence is currently low. Platforms are installing additional structural pieces in areas designated for elevators and stair access. Within the interior of the Tribune, platforms continue working on installing reinforcements on pillars. Some pillars still have scaffolding and incomplete reinforcement installation. Metal brackets in this area still require painting to complete the finishing touches. This week marks significant progress at Camp Nou, despite challenging weather conditions. The installation of the first compression ring piece on the third cantilever signals an important step toward roof construction. The hoisting of the massive concreted ramp and large structural elements demonstrates the scale of work now underway. Insulation and glass panel installation continues advancing on the lateral zones, while prefabricated seating rows and staircases steadily enhance the stadium's interior. With the holiday break approaching, work will pause for a couple of days before resuming. The next few months promise to bring dramatic changes as the compression ring takes shape and more of the facade gets enclosed. We'll be back next week to show you how the project progresses into the new year. If you enjoyed this construction update, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to GOAT Stadiums for next week's video. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.